So over here I got two items. First, Apple Magic Keyboard version 2. This is the black one. And then second is for the mouse. This is the Logitech MX Master 2S. So the reason why I choose this Magic Keyboard version 2, first is because of black. I love black color. And the secondly, that was the one thing that surprising me was this keyboard is not using any external batteries. So see, this is too thin and so teeny, you know. And I was thinking how they put the batteries with this so small, right? Yeah, I was shocked at all because last time I was using the Magic Keyboard version 1, the white color. That one was using external battery, two external battery. But I know we don't have any battery here. It just with the USB-C, this is the internal battery. So the next one we got this Logitech. So yeah, it's pretty nice for the packaging. Is it using the magnet, you know. Alright, so let me unbox for you. Okay. So the reason why I choose this mouse, it is because so smooth and it's handy and it's fit on my right hand like this. And the one thing was surprising me too. This mouse is not using external battery, means that you can charge it by this USB. Wow, it's like a pretty same with this keyboard. So I don't have to be worried about the battery, where could I find it, because it is too old, right? This is the new technology, everything is on this internal battery. Okay, well, I really love it. So basically Logitech has dual connectivity. You can connect directly from the Bluetooth, or even you can connect with this receiver. Okay, and I just using connect direct to the Bluetooth because last time I was using to connect with this item and then it wasn't connected, so I just go directly here without this receiver. Okay, so for this Magic Keyboard we don't have any connectivity like this. It just directly through to our MacBook, so we just need to turn on and then turn off in this switch button, and it's very light, maybe less than 1 kilogram, and I really love it. So you can basically charge your Apple Magic Keyboard here. Okay everyone, I think that's all from me for this unboxing. Maybe in the next video I'm going to give my review for those items. Well, let's see is it good or not. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.